topic for today is ethics in entrepreneurship, building a foundation for success. In today's fast-paced business world, entrepreneurship plays a vital role in driving innovation and economic growth. However, with great power comes great responsibility, and ethical considerations are of utmost importance for entrepreneurs. We can remember that Schumpeter highlighted that entrepreneurship both creates and destroys in the process of innovation. And while most of the attention has been focused on how to innovate faster and better, there should also be a focus on the ethical side of this creative disruption, on the ethical considerations of entrepreneurship. In this lecture, we will explore the significance of ethics in entrepreneurship and how it can be a key factor in building a successful and sustainable business. So let me start first with some definitions and concepts. Entrepreneurship is the exercise of individual freedom with a view to creating value, whether economical or social. An entrepreneur is one who realizes or conjectures, whether through insight or luck, that some resources are underutilized in their current occupation and recombines them into a potentially more useful and fruitful combination. Innovation is the means by which entrepreneurs exploit change as an opportunity for a different business or service. Ethics is a system of moral principles which are meant to guide how we lead our lives and make decisions, usually with a concern of doing what is good for individuals and society. In other words, ethics is the system of moral values, individual approach. Ethics in entrepreneurship refers to the principles and values that guide the behavior and decision-making of entrepreneurs in their business ventures. It provides an understanding of how entrepreneurs solve dilemmas, their perception of ethical considerations, and the structures used during the resolution process. Let us now describe the ethical landscape of entrepreneurship. Most research done in this area focus more directly on the moral situations encountered by entrepreneurs and the organizations they have founded. Their motivating factors for entrepreneurs are not limited to profit, but extend to a drive for independence, freedom, personal satisfaction, and fulfillment. Thus, an ethical entrepreneur is one which considers all stakeholders involved and at least attempts to generate an outcome which is good for all the parties involved. The entrepreneurial process brings special challenges to the handling of ethical problems. While individual entrepreneurs may possess a developed sense of moral climate inside their organizations, the harsh demands of entrepreneurial environments may seriously complicate standard ethical perceptions and practices. Durkheim, who's an economist, suggested moral imagination as a bridge between ethics and entrepreneurship. What is moral imagination? So moral imagination refers to the ability to perceive that a web of competing economic relationship is at the same time a web of moral relationships. This scenario is also known as constrained entrepreneurship, with the constraints including the cognitive limits of entrepreneurs at the individual level and at the macro level, which results from the broader operational environment of entrepreneurship, bounded by social norms and expectations. In other words, harmony between our company values and that of our stakeholders should be the ideal moral situation. How important is ethics in entrepreneurship? Let's look at reputation and trust. Ethical behavior builds trust with consumers, investors, employees, and the community. Trust is an entrepreneur's important asset. A strong reputation for ethical conduct involves a commitment to honesty, fairness, integrity, and social responsibility throughout the entrepreneurial journey. Long-term success. Ethical business tend to have greater long-term success as they are less likely to face legal issues or public backlash. Ethical practices likely lead to customer loyalty and repeat business. The last one, let's look at social responsibility. Ethical businesses tend to have greater long-term success, and the entrepreneurs should have a duty to consider the impact of their business on the community and society. Ethical entrepreneurs aim to both optimize profit and create value for society. However, there are a lot of challenges and dilemmas faced by entrepreneurs. The entrepreneurial process brings special challenges to the handling of ethical problems. Number one, there is conflict of interest. Entrepreneurs often face situations where personal conflict and interest are not in accordance with the interests of their business stakeholders or even with the concerns of the community, so that balancing these interests requires ethical decision-making. Second dilemma, transparency and honesty. Providing accurate and transparent information to customers, investors, and employees is crucial. Significant ethical issues can arise from misleading or dishonest practices. And then environmental and social impact. Entrepreneurs should consider the environmental and social consequences of their actions and should recognize the increasing importance of sustainable and socially responsible practices. How do we build an entrepreneurial culture? Entrepreneurship is characterized by smallness and newness, and therefore the development of ethical culture begins in flexible formats and changes as the firm grows in size and complexity. So, how do we build this culture? One, leading by example. Entrepreneurs should set the tone for ethical behavior in their organization. Demonstrating ethical leadership inspires employees to follow suit. Second, establish ethical guidelines. Develop a code of ethics that outlines expected behavior for all stakeholders and ensures that employees are aware and understand these guidelines. Ethical guidelines can help entrepreneurs address common ethical dilemmas encountered in the course of business. Number three, encourage open communication. Create an environment where employees feel comfortable reporting their ethical concerns. Address and rectify ethical violations promptly to avoid situations that would lead to serious legal issues and public backlash. Now, let me share with you some case studies of ethical entrepreneurship. There are many studies of ethical entrepreneurship characterized by brand loyalty and successful business. I will just present two. And the first one is about the Patagonia story, and the second is about Tom's shoes. The Patagonia story. So Patagonia is a producer of outdoor apparel and is known for its commitment to environmental sustainability. So Patagonia prioritizes reducing its footprint. 87% of its products are made with recycled materials. Patagonia also pledged 1% of total sales or 10% of total profit each year to environmental nonprofits and advocacy groups and has honored this commitment over the years. Because the company's founder has instilled ethical values in its business practices, Patagonia has a loyal customer base. Let us now look at Tom's shoes. Tom's is famous for its one-for-one model, providing a pair of shoes to a child in need for every pair sold. The company used the relational purchasing model where consumers buy goods that benefit someone else, in this case, a child in need. Tom's social responsibility efforts have contributed much to its success. So let me conclude by highlighting that ethics in entrepreneurship is not just a moral obligation. It is also a strategic advantage. Building a business on a foundation of ethical principles can lead to long-term success, trust, and positive social impact. Entrepreneurs who prioritize ethics in their decision-making and business practices are better positioned to navigate the challenges of the business world while leaving a positive legacy for future generations. Thank you.